We guide you through how to change the time zone in Microsoft Outlook. So, the first thing you need to do is to open the Microsoft Outlook and click on File, then select Options and go to Calendar. Scroll down to the Time Zones section where you'll see your current time zone set by default. Click the drop down menu, choose the correct time zone you want to use, and if needed, update the label name so it's easy to recognize. If you manage multiple schedules, you can enable a second time zone by checking the box and selecting another region. Once done, click OK to save the changes. And Outlook will instantly update your calendar and meetings time. This is especially useful if you are traveling, working with international clients, or sensing schedules across different locations. And that's how you change the time zone in Microsoft Outlook in just a few clicks.